This is Bishop Kalmer speaking. It is the 6th day of March 2026 and I am about to report an anomaly with europass. Here I have europass open. This is my opening page. Now I go into my profile. It takes a while. It took a while. I go into work experiences. And here I choose a work experience that has some hyperlinks already. So I click edit and edit work experience. What happened? It scrolled just to the top. I have to scroll down once again. And now I am this form on this form. For instance, here is a link. If I click this link, then this, how to call it, it's not a modal window. I cannot move it. Let's call it a modal window, appears. And here is this link. There are two options, actually three options. If I click this link, then the target will be opened somewhere. Okay, I do it. Nice. It opens on a new tab. I don't need it now. The other two options are edit and remove. If I click edit, the modal window just disappears. I cannot do anything. Okay, again, edit, nothing. And if I want to change the text development environment to something else, I cannot click here and put my cursor here in order to change. Each time this modal window appears. Okay, I can move the cursor with keyboard, but again, I cannot see because the text is behind this modal window. Maybe I show what is shown in the console. Here's a terror act, W terror, Europa analytics missing site ID parameter, drop-down component is deprecated. Okay, I click, nothing in console, edit, still nothing in console. Network, maybe here something happens. If I click here, yeah, something happens. Lots of PPMS, PHPs, status 202, 0 kilobytes, edit, nothing. The browser is Opera, this version. Now I do the same with Chromium. I go to Europass. I choose my language. I log in. And I navigate into Minu Profil, my profile. It is strange that here everything is in Estonian language. In Opera, this menu appears in English language. But profile, the name for profile, profil, is still in Estonian. Even the tooltip text is in Estonian, but this menu here is in English. I go to work experience again. I choose the same work experience. I click muuda, which means edit. Muutke töökogemust, edit work experience. And again, it scrolls to the top. I need to move down again. And this form is open now. I click this link. I click this link. It opens correctly, but I cannot see the text. I click edit and this modal window disappears. I repeat again. Did you see? For a moment, the target text field became like editable with white background, but it disappeared. I do it once more. No, it did not do that. Okay, it does not work anymore. And this browser here is Chromium with this version. Do I have some other browsers here? Let's see. I have Edge. I usually do not use Edge for anything. Europass. I cannot remember the URL. This is why I'm using a search. Log into Europass. Okay. I need to choose password, otherwise I cannot log in. And sign in. And here the menu is like in Opera in English. However, it is strange. Here I could not choose the language. Profile. Work experience. Edit work experience. And even here, I will be scrolled to the top. I need to scroll down again and find this particular work experience. Link opens, edit, and also here it just disappears. Edit, it disappears. The customer support of Europass told me that they had it tested with Edge and it worked. I can confirm it does not work with Edge. Do I have some other browsers here? Oh, Edge version, the version of Edge. Where can I find it? Oh, where are you here? Teave Microsoft Edge'i kohta. Okay, this version. Now, Firefox. I do not go to europa.eu because Europass is not linked from there. I need to go directly to europa.eu/Europass, and here I can choose the language. Now it's in Estonian, and the login button also appeared. And sign in. And here is everything in Estonian. Not everything, only some items. This menu is still in English. Edit work experience. Oh, in Firefox I cannot even edit. You see. Oh, this page is slowing down Firefox. To speed up your browser, stop this page. Okay, stop. Oh, now it's open. without scrolling to the top. But I had to click stop the page. Okay, now this link. I click it, nothing happens. And I can change the text. But nothing works anymore. Maybe because I stopped the page. I cannot do anything here. Okay, refresh. Let's do it again. Work experience. Edit work experience. And nothing is happening. Or is something happening? I don't know. You must log into this network before you can access the internet. Am I not logged in? Continue with Mozilla account. Sign in. Now I am in. Okay, what is happening now? It's all white. And again, this page is slowing down Firefox. So in Firefox, it is doing some strange things. So the version of Firefox, of course. Help about Firefox, this version. And as you see, the operating system is Windows. It's Windows 11. Maybe I can also show this from here, somewhere from here. Where can I show the version of Windows? I have no idea, because usually I use Ubuntu. And on Ubuntu, the same problems are present. Do I have some other web browsers? I guess not. So I have tested it with Opera, with Chromium. Oh, maybe I have Chrome. Yes, I have Chrome. The customer support of Europass also told me that they had tested it. Oh, this time it's different. Again, a different opening page. Okay, they had it tested with Edge and Chrome. Here is in Estonian. Work experience. Muutke töökogemust. And it stays here where it should be. So in Chrome it works at best so far. I click the link, the model window opens. I click the link opens. I click edit. The model window disappears. Again, disappears. So if the purpose is now that the model window should not be present, then why is it present? Why are these two? Why is this edit button here at all? Or this is actually a button, but it looks like a link. And this link leads to nowhere. So I have tested with Opera, Chromium, Firefox, Edge, and Chrome. And in none of these browsers, editing a link works in Europass. Thank you for your attention.